In this video we install the MercyLion Perfect Fit Dashcam to this Range Rover Evoque. So it basically replaces this original housing behind the rear view mirror to give it a nice OEM look. Let's look at what's included inside the box. So you have the user manual, a harness, so this is if you just want to plug and play swap, so it takes the power from the rain sensor, or you have this hardwired fuse cable if you want it permanently live, and of course that goes and plugs into a permanently live fuse within the car. You've then got the dashcam itself, so you can see it literally replaces the housing, looks very good. And then a rear view camera as well, so this one's 1080p. Then finally you have a plastic pry tool which is used to remove the housing, so you'll see pretty much you can just slot it in here, and it's a pretty straightforward process. So the next screen will show you how to get the installation done.
So what we're going to be doing is actually using the factory harness that they've supplied. So this will literally plug into the sensors up here. So you can see we've removed the overhead compartment. In the last clip you saw that we took the front off there, and we've also loosened this. So quite a few panels to loosen, but ultimately this overhead compartment here basically has a connector which is just there, which we've now unplugged here. So in a second we'll unpack the harness and show you what you need to do. Alright, so you take that end of the harness, plug it into the factory loom, just like so, and then the male end of the connector goes into the overhead compartment, just like so. Nice little click, and you're left with this little cable which now goes into the dash cam itself. And power the car on. Success, the camera is now running. What we'll do now is just quickly connect the application, so you can download it from the App Store or the Play Store. So just search for the MercyLion app. We're going to test connect, just make sure the camera is working. Then all that's left is this second cable here is for the rear camera. So you remember this is the rear camera version. So all that's going to be left is we'll run the cable all the way around the back to the back camera, and we should be done. So next step, let's connect the app. Is that it connected? Alright, that's working. It's got the blue film on there. Let's get the back one wired up. Get that working. Right, so that's pretty much it installed. So you can see it's literally replaced the original housing over here. Again, that's where the memory card is if you ever want to pull it out. You can also get to it from the app, and there's the couple of buttons there, so the power on and the instant snapshot button there as well. So just to give you a quick look how that looks, you can see everything's OEM. All the cables are now tucked mainly behind this one, especially the cable that goes around to the back. So it's running there. Pretty much just follow the line on my finger across the top, round the little pillar up there, across the back, up here, round here, and then I've literally 3D printed this specific clip here just so you can mount the dash cam. So this is now independent. Usually people mount them over here on the Evoques and the E-Paces, but what we've done is just gone for a really simple design, and yeah, 3D printed that, so you can see there no wires on the show, completely hidden. And yeah, that's pretty much the job. So once you shut this, you can see the camera is still there. So overall, a very good kit. We'll drop some footage in here for the playback footage on daytime, nighttime, just so you can get a quick feel. If you want the discount code, make sure you enter the one that's up on screen now. But that's all for now. Leave a fat thumbs up, guys, and leave a comment down below if you've got any questions.